Hello, friends! Today I'm gonna tell you about Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. This book is written by Roald Dahl and it is 280 pages. And this book is illustrated by Quentin Blake. Now, let me tell you about the main characters. As you can see, these are the 5 kids that have found the golden ticket. And there's Charlie Bucket too. So, let's start with August Gloop. He is a greedy, big, great nincompoop. He wants to eat everything. His hobby is eating, and that's why he hadn't got a very good present. And then there's Verica Salt, a very spoiled brat because of her parents. She's a pretty rich girl, and then she screams, "You need to buy the things you want." And then there is Violet Margaret, a reclusive little gum chewer. She has a gum, and she chewed it for 1 to 2 months. And she wants to chew gum all the day. And then there is Mike TV. He is a TV addict. He loves to watch TV. He carries some toy stuff with him and he loves TV. That's why he happened to something. And then there's Charlie Bucket. He's the hero of the story. He cannot be rich or not chew a gum all the day, or not eat and eat every day, or even watch a TV because he hasn't the money for it. But he finds the golden ticket and Willy Wonka has something for him. And as you can understand from the story, I started with 5 golden tickets. Yeah, Willy Wonka's chocolate factory opens to 5 kids that has 5 golden tickets, and these 5 golden tickets are in some Willy Wonka chocolate bars. Every child that finds it can go into the chocolate factory. What will happen in the mysterious chocolate factory? Because Willy Wonka hasn't got a chocolate factory. He has a chocolate world. I think you should read it too because I love this book and its movie too. And if you read and finish this book, there's also one more book you can read it. It is The Great Glass Elevator. And there is also a word that Roald Dahl found. And this word is Oompa Loompas. Oompa Loompas dictionary name is a very small person. A tribe of them work in Willy Wonka's fantastic chocolate factory. Are you ready for this book? Bye!